Hi there, stampers and crafters. My name is Tami White from stampwithtami.com. And today we're going to do an unboxing. This is the virtual card retreat for January 2026 from Stampin' Up. If you love card making, crafting, exclusive products, and more, this is for you. The 2-day virtual retreat is taking place January 22nd and 23rd, 2026. However, you do not have to be live. You can watch the replay. I believe it will be available for up until a year afterwards. And the kit, the retreat box that you'll get, and it comes just like this. How fun is this? These are available while supplies last. It's possible they could sell out before then. It's possible they might be available after then. But when supplies are gone, they're gone. And wait till you see what's inside. Taking part in the retreat is super easy. You just purchase your retreat in the box kit on my blog, and then everything is included, including the classes. It's a 2-day virtual card making retreat put on by Stampin' Up. Okay, are you dying to see what's inside? Let's go. So I'm going to pull everything out of the box so we can examine it more closely. But here's how it's exactly how it's going to come in your box. Let me talk about the products that are inside. We've got a nice little note in here from Stampin' Up that talks about it and how to join the group. The retreat is hosted inside a Facebook group. So it's going to be live, and the presentations are from the Stampin' Up staff. You're going to learn new techniques, get inspiration. You're going to hear from Sarah Douglas, the CEO of Stampin' Up, and you can interact live, ask questions, and craft along with everybody. Or you can catch the replay. So after we've opened our cute little box, all right, let's take a look. We've got paper, die cuts, package of white, which we always need. We've got envelopes. So in the retreat, you're going to make 15 cards. And I'll do a little flash on the screen of them here so you can see what the cards are. So let's talk about a few things in the box. We've got Forever Florals bundle, stamp set, and a die set. And these dies are beautiful. In addition to that, we're going to get some Moody Palette glossy dots. You can purchase more of these. These are available in the online store. You're going to get 15 envelopes because we're going to make 15 cards. You're going to get flip flaps as part of that, part of the cards that we'll be making. You're going to get a package of white because we all need the white. The rest of this is exclusive to the retreat. Sorry, I just wanted to point out there are 3 flip flaps. I only had 2 in my hand. Okay, so first is the stamp set. This is the stamp set, great all occasion and perfect for beginners because you've got your words, you've got your flowers, and it's got all occasions in there. And then we've got the paper. The paper is a little different than our regular double-sided paper. One, because it's single-sided. We've got black and white, some great backgrounds, beautiful colors. And I'm going to stop here. So these next pages of cardstock are actually 2-tone cardstock, but instead of being darker on one side and lighter on the other, we've got light on the top and dark on the bottom. This is very cool. So we've got that. Got 10 sheets of 2-tone cardstock. Now, I said they're not double-sided, and that's not entirely true. Wait until you see this part. This part is worth its money all right there. On the back of all of the paper is cutting guides. And these cutting guides tell you where to cut and what card they go to. How amazing is that? And they also leave some blank space here so that you can use the leftover paper for other projects, which you're going to want to do because if you purchase this through me, you're also going to get a bonus tutorial of cards that I've made with this leftover paper in the exclusive stamp set that came in that. So highly recommend. If you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, there's a link directly in this video to get more information and to order your retreat kit. Now I'm looking at the back of the 2-tone cardstock. There you go. Showing more. How amazing is that? Like, seriously, it's just fun. Just fun, right? Everything is that you can have this all pre-cut and ready to go when we have the retreat or when you plan on watching it because you don't need to watch it live. So I plan on cutting all mine up and then I plan on making a bunch of alternate projects, which again, I will be sharing a free bonus tutorial for all of you who purchased this through me so that you can have additional ideas and use some more. But wait, there's more. The kit also comes with 2 pages of pre-cut die cuts. So these are die cuts all ready to go, and they match the shapes of the stamp set. Hold that right on there. They match your flowers. The banners match your words. The little flowers. The leaves. Again, so all fun, all fun. That's just pretty awesome. So you may be wondering, how do I sign up? Well, you just click on that link in the video's description or pop on over to stampwithtami.com. I have the information there on my blog. You can go to the Stampin' Up store. All you need to do when you purchase the kit, that's it. You have access to the entire retreat online, as well as you're going to get that fun box in the mail. And while you're on there purchasing your retreat, if you haven't already done this, don't forget to add on the January product of the month, which is Fabulous Sayings. And these fonts are fabulous. If you order the product of the month through me, you also will get bonus tutorials at the end of the month with all product of the month. So if you love immersive crafting experiences, learning new techniques, and working with exclusive products, I highly recommend this retreat. It's going to be so much fun. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or drop me an email at Tami@stampwithtami.com.